Hello and welcome to the first in our series on all things Microsoft and artificial intelligence. This is the AI Academy. Here you can expect to not only learn about AI, not only see it in action, but to understand how it fits into normal modern life. No matter what your hobbies are, what your workday looks like, or how you spend time with friends and family, AI Academy has valuable stories, examples, and scenarios that you can make use of right away. It's safe to say that there's almost never been another technology that has evolved and innovated as rapidly as AI. So keep checking back here at AI Academy regularly, where we are creating content often, and the sooner you experience it, the more up-to-date you'll be on Microsoft Copilot's incredible AI experiences, features, and capabilities. So what can you expect to find in this series? You'll learn all about Microsoft's everyday AI companion, Microsoft Copilot, and how you can not only find Copilot, but how to use it to make your everyday easier. You'll learn how tools like Copilot can elevate your daily productivity and give you a creative boost when you need it. You'll also learn about other AI enhancements throughout different Microsoft tools and services. Our next AI Academy video will establish a baseline: what is AI, how can we better understand this new technology, and how versatile an AI assistant can be. Talk to you then.